insane. That would have. I would have been like, I've done everything to leave. And he drove off. If I were her, he fucking shot her. Silly shoot. She knew about his back. Telling Tess, like, I could, just because I feel like it would have.
Stranger, yeah. We may wanna tell myself.
This bedroom nice and warm for you. Every night I cried, I almost got breath. How can somebody so clever hit right by me? Been worried about me telling people that's not me. Shit, damn, I think it's going down.
Thick and you heard it. I'm straight through the machine. She got enough on my homie.
But I don't need to love you. Trust me, I'll try. Because without you, I'm sick. Because you I have you for a minute, don't get changed. No, man, I'm sick. Baby, you're the only. You're the only.
Not too much on my chicken.
Get no, cause you line my food and keep going there. See that ain't right. The body's dying for you. Let's go.
Looking backward.
Oh no!
Still have to beat each other.
Yeah, actually, I prefer if. What you got to eat in this motherfucker? He ended up running down the street. Was it? You need to grow up and get high, my nigga. As a matter of fact, since I'm the type of nigga that cares about your health.